Hey, what's up guys? So the deal is very simple. I am working on a Slap House sample pack and I need to make a track. I need to make a track to send to a vocalist that will sing on this track for an acapella. So I thought, hey, maybe we're just gonna make a tune live. Like on the video. So I'm like, hell yeah, sick idea. My mind creates such sick ideas that they should visit the hospital immediately. So this is what I currently have. And just loops. Yes, there is a vocal because I need a vocal for reference. So let's just start building this track around. Check out the description for a link to sign up for a waiting list. This pack should be happening in like month and a half or so. Max 2 months. I hope not, because I wanna like go back to posting packs on a regular basis, but it may take more time if I wanna polish this, and I do wanna polish it super hard. So the future base pack isn't even out yet, but I'm announcing this one. Why the hell not? So I'm gonna be using this to build the track. A simple crash transition is always working. I really love these ones. I try to put these transitions into every single pack because they're so useful. Yeah, this one works pretty well. There are also transitions like tonal transitions. Put soot on it. Yeah, smooth it out. So that needs to be playing all the time. So what I think we can do is we can put a lot of reverb, like a shit ton of reverb. Maybe not 60 seconds, but like a ton of reverb, and like the automation line right here. Okay, so there's, what the hell? Oh, okay, that works. So I gotta take a look at Spotify actually, because I'm not really sure how to, like, what should I put inside the Slap House? Yet I am attempting to make one, and I think I will be able to make one. I just need a proper reference. Well, they're just putting simple soways with low pass on it, like a low pass automation. The hell is this genre? We're gonna duplicate that. I think this one. I think I should do this, and then I should do a build up, right? Am I right? Oh, hell yeah. Why would I make a build up? Why just have one? Okay, so 30 seconds in is the drop. So how much we're in? 30 seconds. So, okay, so we're gonna put this thing here. I'm gonna delete that. So we gotta do something with this. I think putting a reverb on it, so it just fades out and it just stops playing here. Pretty good. So this usually goes like no clap, and then we add a hi-hats. Not really necessary, but I want to add hats because it just sounds great. Okay, we gotta need some ambience here. Oh, hell yeah, that's it. Okay, so complex pro. Ooh, that's some Jonas Adam shit. Yeah, let's go this way, group that. Let's see which one's better. See which one's better. And eyes. So we have eyes and the opposite, right? So now it's gonna be the eyes and the opposite. Which one is better? Vote in the comments. Next time I'll do a giveaway of $1 million. Yeah, give the error. Oh, hell yeah. That's all the acapellas I have? Are you kidding me? Why these people are making tracks in C or B or A? This isn't good for bass. This sucks. Why? Do like a normal like G or D or F, E. This is sick, but not like fucking C.
I ain't gon' force shit on.
Wait, I have 1500 vocal samples? What? How? That's maybe sick for a drop. Okay, let's try. Which idea is the best? Vote in the comments. This is the first idea. This is the second idea. And this is the third idea. The fourth idea. This is the fifth idea. Seventh idea. Oddly good answers. The one who wants $1 trillion and a sick sample pack of a slap house and a house. I will give out a house. Let me know in the comments which one is the best. A couple of days ago I released a new track called You Gotta Dance. If you're into heavy house bangers, you will definitely like this track. If you wanna take a listen, check out the link in the description. And here's a little preview. So now we're gonna make a slap house bass. So digital wave forms are sick for that. Let's just go for like strats. That sounds good. Let's just do something like that. Envelope mode. Sounds good. We're doing PVM because like wow, ow, ow kind of thing. So then this guy. But then we go for like the second one. But definitely we're gonna need a third one, being like this, and then on a chorus pitch. 24. So the slap bass is gonna slap as hell. So you're looking for that transient on top. So great for transients are kicks here. What is there actually a transient? Yeah, kick transient. Yeah, we go. Okay, so now we gotta need a sub bass. Have a sub bass. I think sub bass should have this automation. Alright, this starts to slap as hell. So then this guy. So as you can hear, there's not much of like overtones. We're gonna add them in a second. What filter can I add? Add bass? Of course! Oh, you know there's like a different timbre every single time. So we gotta do this. Find the perfect spot. Here, I guess. So we have really nice deep sub bass and I really like that here. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, I'm gonna save that. Okay, so let's just go for Saturn. Let's add something here. So I guess we're missing these frequencies here. Yeah, we're getting like brr, brr. That's kind of cool. Hell yeah, this is sick. Whoa, what happened? Stop. What's going on? Goes bing bong. Play ping pong. Okay, so we need like a respace again, but a different one, like the same one but a different, just like a top one, wide. Okay, so that's an idea for a lead. I'm not sure if like we're still in a slap house territory, if we're doing some epic leads and shit. Okay, I'm gonna mute this kick and leave the side training playing. Now I'm gonna do fill. Oh, let's say this one. Okay, sounds pretty good. I've been listening to this so much, I just don't know. I need to automate this guy. Okay, I need to do this, and then we're gonna bump it up here, I guess. Yeah, some effects. I forgot about effects completely. Oh yeah, so how about this here? Uplifter. Oh! Okay. So there's a place for a sick vocal here, and I'm gonna play back the track with the vocal because I think it's much more powerful. So it's been like 1,000 years. Let's take a listen. Okay. Wow. It does slap. I'm gonna export this now and send the track over. That is great. So thanks everybody so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. Sign up for a newsletter, for a waiting list for the sample pack and get notified when it drops. Let me know what you think about the track. If you have any tips for making slap house, let me know in the comments. I would really appreciate those. I would really benefit from them. So let me know in the comments if you have any tips for making slap house, and have a nice day and see you in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can sign in that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site over sample.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.